This is NOAA All Hazards Radio KEC74 in Indianapolis. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the Indianapolis area. Rest of today, cloudy. Chance of light freezing drizzle late in the morning. Near steady temperature around 30. North winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation 30%. Tonight, cloudy. Light freezing rain likely after midnight. Ice accumulation of less than 1/4 of an inch. Lows in the mid-20s. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation 60%. Sunday, cloudy. Light freezing rain likely, possibly mixed with snow in the morning, then slight chance of light freezing rain and snow in the afternoon. Little or no snow accumulation. Ice accumulation of less than 1/4 of an inch. Highs around 30. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation 60%. Sunday night, colder. Mostly cloudy until midnight, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows around 15. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Monday, sunny. Highs in the mid-30s. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Monday night, mostly clear. Lows around 20. Tuesday, partly cloudy. Highs in the lower 40s. Tuesday night, partly cloudy. Lows around 30. Wednesday, partly cloudy. Highs in the upper 40s. Wednesday night, not as cool. Partly cloudy until midnight, then becoming mostly cloudy. A 30% chance of rain. Lows in the lower 40s. Thursday, mostly cloudy with a 40% chance of rain. Highs in the lower 50s. Thursday night, colder. Mostly cloudy with a 30% chance of rain and snow. Lows in the upper 20s. Friday, colder. Mostly cloudy with a 20% chance of rain and snow. Highs in the upper 30s. Again, the forecast for the Indianapolis area for rest of today, cloudy. Chance of light freezing drizzle late in the morning. Near steady temperature around 30. North winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation 30%. The 8 to 14 day outlook for Saturday, February 17th through Friday, February 23rd, calls for both temperatures and precipitation to be above normal. Normal highs for the period are between 40 and 45 degrees, and normal lows are around 25. The normal precipitation total for the 7 days is between 0.6 and 0.65 inches. At 2 p.m., at Indianapolis, it was cloudy. The temperature was 33 degrees, the dew point 26, and the relative humidity 75%. The wind was northeast at 13 miles an hour, producing a wind chill of 24. The barometric pressure was 29.99 inches and falling. Around central Indiana, at Muncie, fog was reported, with a temperature of 30. At Shelbyville, it was partly sunny, with a temperature of 35. It was cloudy, with a temperature of 30 at Anderson, 28 at Zionsville, and 32 at Eagle Creek Air Park. Elsewhere across Indiana, at Bloomington, fog was reported, with a temperature of 36. It was cloudy, with a temperature of 23 at South Bend, 25 at Fort Wayne, 25 at Lafayette, 32 at Terre Haute, and 37 at Evansville. Just outside Indiana, at Louisville, drizzle was falling, with a temperature of 48. Fog was reported, with a temperature of 31 at Dayton, and 41 at Cincinnati. It was cloudy, with a temperature of 21 at Chicago, 23 at Champaign, and 27 at St. Louis. Once again, at Indianapolis it was 33 degrees with cloudy skies. And now a special weather statement. For the following counties, in Indiana: Boone, Delaware, Hamilton, Hancock, Hendricks, Henry, Johnson, Madison, Marion, Morgan, Rush, Shelby, and Tipton. Slick spots will remain through the afternoon. Freezing drizzle and snow flurries will gradually diminish through early afternoon. While only light icing has occurred, temperatures remaining at or below freezing will enable localized slick spots to linger all afternoon, especially north of Interstate 70. A better threat for measurable wintry precipitation, including snow, sleet, and freezing rain is expected late tonight and Sunday. Travelers today and on through the weekend should exercise caution and be alert for slick conditions. This is NOAA All Hazards Radio KEC74 in Indianapolis.
NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards. WWG82 broadcasting from a tower on Joanna Bald Mountain, operating on a frequency of 162.525 megahertz. This transmitter is serving the western North Carolina mountains. The current time is 5:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This is the North Carolina Mountain and Foothills Report, which includes the high and low temperatures for the 24-hour period ending around 7 a.m. this morning. With the exception of Beech Mountain, no rain fell at any of the following locations during the past 24 hours. Beech Mountain, the high was 54 and the low 44. A trace of precipitation fell. Boone, the high was 60 and the low 32. Bryson City, the high was 67 and the low 42. Hendersonville, the high was 66 and the low 40. Highlands, the high was 57 and the low 42. Hot Springs, the high was 70 and the low 45. Jefferson, the high was 61 and the low 32. Marshall, the high was 69 and the low 37. Morganton, the high was 70 and the low 42. Mount Mitchell, the high was 50 and the low 39. Murphy, the high was 68 and the low 39. Robbinsville, the high was 67 and the low 43. Spruce Pine, the high was 64 and the low 37. These are the 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time observations on Thursday, November 2nd. At the Asheville Airport, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 71 degrees, the dew point 52, and the relative humidity 50%. The wind was south at 10 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.21 inches and rising. At Knoxville, it was partly sunny. The temperature was 74 degrees, the dew point 60, and the relative humidity 61%. The wind was southwest at 10 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.12 inches and steady. At Chattanooga, it was partly sunny. The temperature was 73 degrees. At Bristol, it was cloudy. The temperature was 73 degrees. Elsewhere in western North Carolina and Tennessee, it was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 72 at Hickory, 72 at Franklin, and 74 at Charlotte. It was cloudy, with a temperature of 71 at Nashville and 65 at Crossville. In South Carolina, Georgia, and northern Alabama, it was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 73 at Greenville-Spartanburg and 75 at Athens. It was partly sunny, with a temperature of 73 at Atlanta and 74 at Rome. It was cloudy, with a temperature of 72 at Gainesville, 72 at Dalton, and 72 at Huntsville. Once again at 5 p.m., at the Asheville Airport, it was 71 degrees and mostly sunny. At Knoxville, it was 74 degrees and partly sunny. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the southern mountains of North Carolina, including the Smokies. Tonight, partly cloudy. A slight chance of showers after midnight. Patchy fog after midnight. Lows in the lower 50s. South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 20%. Friday, areas of fog in the morning. Partly sunny with a chance of showers. A chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 60s. West winds around 5 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50%. Friday night, a chance of thunderstorms until midnight. Mostly cloudy with a chance of showers. Lows in the mid-50s. Northwest winds around 5 miles an hour, becoming south after midnight. Chance of rain 50%. Saturday, mostly cloudy with a 50% chance of showers. Highs in the mid-60s. South winds around 5 miles an hour. Saturday night, mostly cloudy. Lows in the mid-50s. South winds around 5 miles an hour. The extended forecast for the listening area. Sunday, partly sunny in the morning, then becoming mostly sunny. A 20% chance of showers. Highs in the mid-60s. Sunday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-50s. Monday, partly sunny. Highs in the upper 60s. Monday night, partly cloudy with a chance of showers until midnight. then mostly cloudy after midnight. Lows in the mid-50s. Chance of rain 40%. Tuesday, mostly cloudy with a chance of showers. Highs in the mid-60s. Chance of rain 50%. Tuesday night, mostly cloudy with a chance of showers. Lows in the lower 50s. Chance of rain 50%. Wednesday, mostly cloudy with a 50% chance of showers. Highs in the upper 50s. Wednesday night, mostly cloudy with a 50% chance of showers. Lows in the lower 40s. Thursday, mostly sunny with a 40% chance of showers. Highs in the mid-50s. A southerly flow will persist over the region through Friday. Cooler weather is expected over the weekend as a wedge of high pressure building down the eastern seaboard pushes a backdoor cold front through our area. The high pressure wedge is expected to weaken and move east quickly, with warm southerly flow returning by Monday.